Meaning of eccentrically.
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 Eccentrically. Eccentrically refers to behavior or actions that are unconventional, strange, or peculiar. When someone behaves eccentrically, they often disregard social norms and expectations, leading to behaviors that may be viewed as unusual or even bizarre. This can result in both positive and negative consequences, as the unconventionality of their actions may lead to innovation and creativity, but can also cause discomfort or confusion for others. Overall, behaving eccentrically is a departure from the norm and can have unpredictable outcomes.